If you learned gamma trading on another platform, the vocabulary changes, but the levels do not. Here is the whole translation. Start with the regime. Top left of your chart, there is a badge and it reads either stabilizing or amplifying. Stabilizing is positive gamma. Dealers are forced to sell rallies and buy dips, so the day balances and chops, and you fade the edges. Amplifying is negative gamma. They lean the same way price moves, so the day trends, and you trade breakouts instead. Now the levels. Call resistance is the call wall, put support is the put wall, the high volume level, or HVL, is the gamma flip, and it works the same way in miniature. Above it, the tape stabilizes. Below it, it amplifies, and the ranked strikes you might know as GEX. 1 through GEX 5 are simply the key levels, labeled GEX 1, GEX 2, and so on, strongest first. One shortcut worth knowing, you do not need to convert index levels onto futures by hand. NASDAQ and S&P futures carry their own gamma levels natively. Just load the chart. Levels on their own are not a trade. They need context, and the context is the overnight profile. Open session's volume profile and set the session type to overnight. That is 6 p.m. to 9:30 Eastern, and it gives you the value area high, the value area low, and the point of control that you trade against. Here is the setup. For a short, you want 3 things lined up. Price above the overnight value area high, a gamma level sitting right there, and then order flow confirmation, which means buyers stepping in and getting absorbed with no follow-through, and then aggressive sellers who do get follow-through. Enter on the retest. Longs are the exact mirror below the value area low. For your daily bias, switch that same profile to the market session. Now you get one profile per cash session, side by side. Point of control climbing day over day is bullish. Stepping down is bearish. Trade toward the previous value area from whichever edge you are on. All of it is one preset tab. Paste it once and the levels, the profiles, the footprint, and the big trade bubbles all come up configured, and you can flip between your bias chart and your trading chart in a click, for educational and informational purposes only, and not financial advice. Trading futures and options involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. You alone are responsible for your trading decisions and risk management,